Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. Okay, we are going to continue on with my experimentation with chrome mica specifically and nail polish. And today I'm going rainbow. The letters spell out Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. There is supposed to be apparently an indigo, which is a dark blue, really dark bluish purpley thing going on in here, but a lot of people go with these six. So that's what I'm going to do today. This one's a little questionable because I have questionable colors. I have a light green and then I have a really dark blue. So it's not, and this isn't yellow, this is gold. I don't have a yellow. I have a neon yellow, but that kind of scares me. So we're going to stick with the chromes for today anyway. All right, and I have two molds. I have three molds. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this one yet, but in this mold, I'm going to paint a rainbow using nail polish. I picked these up today. I found an orange finally at a different store, but there was no price tag on it, and that scares me too sometimes. I didn't really want to spend a ridiculous amount of money for a little bottle of nail polish when these are all 98 cents. So I went with it's kind of peach. And it's going to sub for orange. So we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet over here, and we've been through the micas. So these will go in this mold. These will go in this mold. And then, like I said, I have a third mold, and I may try and do some sort of combo thing, or I have some other colors I picked up also at the same time. I got the rainbow ones, teal and pink, and a nice deep pearly blue. So maybe I'll do something different over here. Maybe I won't do anything at all. I don't know. Let's just focus on these two. I suspect this is going to be a little on the messy side with the mica, so I'll do that last. I'll do the oval tray first. My idea here is just to do stripes. I don't think I want to put anything down in there just yet. I could, certainly, but I think we'll leave that alone, and then we'll just put glitter in our resin. So you won't see the glitter through these, but you will see the glitter all around the rim. So anyway, let's get going. We'll just see how this goes. It's another test. I'm gonna let this dry, put it aside, let it dry, go over it again, and then let it dry again overnight, and then pour resin tomorrow. So meanwhile, now these I have a little bit better planned out. I'm gonna do the first two little sections red, and then each section after that, which gets its own bump. I don't know. You know my painting, it'll be sloppy, but we're gonna try for red, then orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. We'll get these two. So I have a little better sense of where things are going, and I want to do, let's do red, orange, yellow. Let's do the yellow. This is not yellow, I apologize. Yeah, purple's a little more populated than everybody else, but that's not awful. Oh, I made a real mess with the purple, didn't I? Okay. Let's see, I need to touch up some things on the front here. Cool beans. Now I'm going to put this aside, let everything dry, and I'm going to go over the nail polishes again, and then that should be good for today. Come back and pour some resin. I don't think in spite of the fact that I went with black resin last time behind the colors, because it makes the chromes really pop, I think I'm going to go with clear resin with a whole bunch of, a crap ton of glitter in it, and we'll see what we get. So stay tuned, folks. And we're back. Okay, so after I turned the camera off, I have a confession to make about this one here. I took the 3 nail polish colors that I had purchased at the same time I got all these yesterday morning, and I just sort of dabbed them around on this 3rd mold. So these are the 3 we're now going to pour. I'm going to mix up 12 ounces of resin, and I'm going to use a 1-to-1, I'm going to use KS liquid stone. So it will be 6 ounces of hardener, 6 ounces of resin mixed together, 12 ounces of epoxy resin. And I'm going to pull off a couple ounces for my tumblers I've got going over there. And the rest, I'm going to mix a crap ton of Jack Frost special blend from Glitter Chimp. That beautiful white opalescent glitter into what's left of what I've mixed up. And I'm going to pour it into these 3 molds. And then I will bring you back for the big reveal. Stay tuned. And we're back. So let's see how these turned out. First, when I started pouring, I didn't think I was going to have enough, and this one has plenty of room. If you can see that, bit of a lip there, plus you can see through it, so I could have put more glitter in the resin. I thought it was pretty soaked with glitter as it was. But anyway, there's more room for resin in that one and in this one. But I had enough to at least get something in that will give us some idea. So let's start with this one. This was just dabs of 3 different nail polishes. Isn't that pretty? I think that turned out really nicely. I'm impressed. Cool, so there's a little trinket plate, trinket tray sort of thing. Oh, resin on the underside of my pan there. All right, I'll put that there. And there's no nail polish. There's a little bit of extra resin there, but there's no nail polish left in the mold, so that's good. It's ready for next time now. Okay, well, in that case, I don't know which one to do next. Well, I managed to seal this one all the way around. Here we go. Get this on camera. This is going to be a little trickier. I know this turns inside out because that's how I painted it to begin with, but I also don't want to rip the mold. So we'll just go around once and then I'll start pulling harder. Look at the chromes. Look at how pretty and shiny. Okay, so this is actually the bottom, and there's the top. Ooh, isn't that lovely? I love it. I love it. So there's another little trinket tray. Okay, here we go. Our final rainbow for this project anyway. I painted that in pretty thick and none of it stuck, so it's all there in the resin now. Nice and shiny surface. Oh, isn't that lovely? With my sparkly rim from the Jack Frost glitter. I love it. I absolutely love it. So what do you think, folks? Let me display these somehow here. There we go. So pretty. See if I can get you in for a closer view. There we go. So what do you think, folks? What shall I try next? So I've got lots of molds to work with. Let me know if there's one you want to see, or if there's a certain colorant you want me to try painting into the molds first, because this has been a fantastic success in my opinion. The chromes and the nail polishes. All right, well, thank you for joining me today. Stay safe, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.